I recently got my hands on the Apple iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium, and it's been an impressive upgrade. The design immediately stands out with its sleek titanium frame and matte glass back, which not only looks premium but feels more durable and less prone to fingerprints compared to previous models. One of the most significant improvements is the performance, thanks to the A17 Pro chip. It's incredibly fast, handling multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps without breaking a sweat. The new chip also boosts the camera performance. The photos are sharp, vibrant, and handle low light much better. I've noticed that the camera's new features, like the improved zoom and advanced computational photography, make a noticeable difference in picture quality. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion is another highlight. The display is bright, crisp, and the higher refresh rate makes everything from scrolling to gaming feel smoother. The thinner bezels also add to the immersive experience. Battery life has been solid, easily lasting a full day of heavy use, which includes streaming, gaming, and photography. The addition of USB-C charging is a welcome change, making it easier to use the same cables for multiple devices. Storage is no longer a concern with the 1 terabyte capacity. I can store all my photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. This is particularly useful for anyone who uses their phone for content creation or needs to keep a lot of data handy. In summary, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium offers a blend of high performance, excellent camera capabilities, and a sleek design. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade to a top-tier smartphone.